I can't see. Are you ready? Behind us we have my brand new $1,800 Anderson Composites hood. It is beautiful, except for the fact that when it got delivered, unfortunately, it did have a little bit of freight damage.
What is this? Oh, it's all messed up. Cracked, right there. Yep.
Oh, no.
Yep, there it is, it's cracked.
Well, so what we have to do, and this is gonna be really hard to watch. So yes, Anderson Composites has requested that we chop this thing up into 4 pieces. We are going to do that. Now when you're buying something like this, it's $1,800, remember. I wanna know, and I think that you probably wanna know too, if you're spending that amount of money, how well is it gonna hold up to abuse? And that is partly what we're gonna do in today's video, is not only cut this thing up into 4 sections per insurance so we can get another one in the mail, but also be a little bit educational about it. Twin turbos again should be here probably next week. We have more parts going in the car. Lots of stuff moving forward. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Turn your notification bell on because videos are going to be coming hot and heavy. I don't know if I want to do this. I can't see. We got to get the power tools, the hammers, all of that stuff. And then we'll see what else happens. Hammer, another hammer, crowbar, and one of these. Okay, here's our hood. Oh my gosh. Well, that looks pretty good considering I just threw it over the fence there. But I guess this is the point of no return. It has to be destroyed. It must be destroyed. All right guys, so what I want to show you before we do this, I want to just highlight everything. This is double-sided. Now what separates Anderson apart from the crowd is you can go with certainly cheaper hoods with the carbon fiber on the outside, but they might be skipping the interior here. This thing is like, I don't know if it's like 25 pounds. It's really light, but the quality is absolutely beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. Because of our original damage there, we have to destroy it. Hey, do you want the first swing?
No, you can have it.
No. You live with an automotive YouTuber that builds and spends a lot of money, builds fast cars. Why don't you take the first swing?
Where?
Do that one. Do that one. Hit it like right here. It looks like a soft spot. Oh, she hit the hell out of it. Okay.
Not doing anything.
Well, that's actually a good thing. So it's marked it up quite a bit. Look at this, you could actually buff this out somewhat. That's pretty tough. None of this came loose. You got some cracks here. Okay. Some splitting there. Give it a real hard whack. Wow. Remind me to never make you mad. So, okay. Splitting there. This is how this looks. Look, the vent just came out. So it took a lot of force. All right, go again. Oh, okay, all right, my turn. Same area?
Mm-hmm.
Now let's go down here. Ready?
Cut pieces.
Yeah. This is interesting because, you know, we spend a lot of money on car parts, and to be able to destroy one, something this expensive, is interesting. I mean, that's taken a lot of abuse.
Mm-hmm.
3-pound mallet. Right there?
Mm-mm.
Where?
Right here.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it definitely chipped. So look at this, the clear coat's coming off, but it's not breaking in half. I figured it would like split by now.
Do it in the middle.
Well, they say that carbon fiber is really, really strong, but I'm not actually cutting through the, or breaking through the weave. How about this?
The crowbar.
So we couldn't split that, but maybe we can. But it did puncture a little bit. So yeah, it's, guys, it's not, I mean, we're barely getting through the weave here, but the overall integrity of the hood is still there. What is it going to take to What is it gonna take to break this thing? I don't know. Let me hit it a couple more times with the 3-pounder and see what happens. Get some leverage. It won't break. So I'm picking these spots because this is really thin. Over here it's reinforced a little bit up around the edges and then also in the center. But because we have area here, and all the vents are coming out, but you want to run it over?
Yeah.
I guess let's run it over. So we're gonna run it over with the Jeep. This is pretty crazy. This thing hasn't broken yet. How fast do you want to go? You gonna do like monster truck on it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you ready? Guys, look at this. This thing is not breaking. It is not breaking. Look at this. Barely any damage. Well, I mean, we got lots of damage, but I'm saying it's not like crushed. You could probably still mount this to a vehicle. Probably couldn't repair it at this point, but it's still the same shape. Wow. What does the underside look like? So here is the underside. So yes, we have some scratches and stuff like that, but no signal. Well, right there is it's starting to come through, some cracking there, but the overall integrity of the hood, guys, I mean, remember this cost almost $2,000 for this hood, and I am immensely impressed. So will this hold up in a crash? I mean, versus metal, I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not splitting in half. So now what we have to do is cut this thing into 4 sections. That way we can take pictures, send it back to Anderson, and we can get it replaced. Look at that. It takes that on asphalt, and it's coming off a little bit. Wow. It's for cutting metal and exhaust systems. Yeah, that cut. That just takes a little bit of effort. Wow, this thing's on fire. It's so strong it won't cut. See if we can not cut my deck in half. It won't cut. Okay guys, we have 4 sections. Now what we gotta do is take pictures, send them off in an email and get our new stuff. But here's the inside of what that looks like. And this is the thickness of it. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm not gonna lie, that was honestly a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be. Now there's several different companies out there that make carbon fiber hoods and stuff like that. I would choose to go with something like this over one of the maybe more cheaper options, just because of what you've seen and what you've witnessed in this video. All right guys, that's it. We have chopped this thing up into pieces so we can get a new one, but check this out. So we have one side flipped over, and the other half of it the other way. That way we can just, again, look at the aftermath. Something that's really surprising me is look how still clean this is on some of the areas. Now this is really cool because This, honestly, I'm kind of glad that I got a damaged carbon fiber hood, because now I can illustrate to you guys how well this holds up under abuse. Now, this is extreme. You're probably not going to see anything close to this unless you're in an accident. But it took a lot of force to actually get this thing to cut up into 4 sections. And it honestly took a whole lot to even do some of this damage here. Running it over with a Jeep, hitting with hammers, everything. So yeah, absolutely, I have 100% faith in this company. Such a great product from Anderson Composites. Again, links in the description. I'm not getting paid to say that. I just want to save you guys a little bit of money. But if you're going to replace your OEM metal hood, aluminum hood on your vehicle, whatever it may be, this one is for an 1819 Mustang. I would definitely check out Anderson. I am super impressed with the quality and just the destructive force that it would take to destroy this stuff. All right, guys, that's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You found it fun, entertaining, and informative as always. But yes, all this really does speak for itself, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Be safe.